Welcome. This is how to hide channels in Telegram. So guys, to do this process, first thing is just simply open up the Telegram application into your device. Now here on your Telegram guys, to hide a specific channel, you could just simply select it by holding on it, and you could select multiple channels if that's what you prefer. And right after that, guys, you should have an option at the top, the sound icon, which is the mute, and you will have the archive icon beside the trash icon. So, guys, the arrow pointing downward, this is the hide option. So, just simply tap on archive. And after that, as you can see, the charts will be archived into your Telegram. And now, guys, when you go to the all chats, you should be able to see the archive chats at the very top. So when you tap on it, this should be where your hidden channels will be. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.